If you've ever watched a Google form so you can manually turn off responses, perhaps at a certain date and time or after a certain number of responses, you know it's not fun. Enter Google Forms date and response limits, which now lets you set limits to automatically stop accepting responses. Let's take a look at how to set this up. I have a simple form here asking who will join an event. First, I need to publish it and set who can respond. In the top right, click Publish. Next to Responders, I'm going to click Manage. Now, I need to set who can respond, so for Responder View, I'm going to click and select anyone with a link so that Stony Brook University Google accounts and Stony Brook Medicine accounts can all respond. Finally, I'll click Done and Publish, and my form is published. Now let's set a date limit so the form won't accept responses after 5 p.m. on February 20th. We're going to click Published in the top right and Set Close Date or Response Limit. We'll select On Date and click Choose Date and Time to select the date and the time we want to stop accepting responses. And then we'll click Save and Save again. And now our form has that limit. Now let's set a number limit so the form will close after 10 responses. We're going to click Published, and because we've already set a date limit, we need to click Manage. Then we can select after a number of responses, enter a number, click Save, and click Save again. When the form is closed, people will see the Form Closed message. We can actually edit. To do so in the form, we're going to click Published and then Manage. And then next to responders, we'll see this message when the form is closed for responses. Click the pencil to edit your response. Think about adding a link in so people can find more information about this. Then click Save and Save again. When the form is closed, people trying to fill it out will see the Form Closed message. As an editor, in Edit View, you'll see a note at the top indicating the form isn't accepting responses. To enable them again, click on Manage and toggle accepting responses back on.